Sunday, July 21, 2024. 16th Sunday in Ordinary Time, day dedicated for natural family planning. Focus. He has compassion on them. Who among us has not reached home exhausted at the end of challenging program, only to find hungry visitor intending to stay? Do we respond with compassion? Jesus planned a gateway for his tired disciples, but his plans failed. Yet his compassion for those in need did not fail. The many people who ran ahead of him to the landing spot needed to be with Jesus and needed his teachings. He felt their needs in his own bones. He sat with them and taught them many things. Compassion in Hebrew, rakimim, or love, arising from the mother's womb, is God's defining quality, as the Bible never tries of repeating. Some scholars points out that the boat ride was long enough for others to run along the shore and race them. So the main purpose of the retreat to which Jesus invited his disciples was served by their spending time alone with him in the boat. Many of us do not have the choice of living our daily growth in order to make a restful retreat. But there are ways of turning our attention away from the wideness of our life and turning our heart and mind fully to Jesus, like a bride to her husband. Fruit. To be more like Jesus, I need to be more focused and love-struck bride, and as sensitive to the needs of others as mother to her own little ones.